Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to those of you who are new here. You probably won't recognise, but I've actually stupidly dyed my hair. Sorry for the bit of a negative intro. I just wanted to point it out that yeah, I'm just not happy with the way my hair is looking at the moment. I dyed it last night. It was supposed to come out like a dark sort of brown shade, and yeah, it's just turned out rather black, to be honest, and I've come to the conclusion that black hair doesn't suit me and I should just stick with my natural hair and stop trying to make myself look better, because it's just not gonna happen. But anyway, moving on, I've actually got a really exciting unboxing for you guys today, and I wanted to share it with you because it is amazing. I mean, sat here on my lap right now is this humongous box, and it's so beautifully packaged. Like, I just actually couldn't believe that this fell on my doorstep. So I just want to say a massive thank you to the babes at Lookfantastic for sending this out to me to review and to share with you guys here today. I'm absolutely thrilled, and yeah, I'm just so fortunate to be in a position where these sort of amazing packages can land on my doorstep, and it's all thanks to you guys as well. So thank you for liking, commenting and engaging with my content that I create. I really do appreciate it. But anyway, let's get on with the unboxing because I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So as you take off the lid, inside are these gorgeous little eggs, and they're all in this sort of metallic chrome sort of in halves. I'm not too sure how to explain it, but all I know is that it looks amazing. Like, this would be an amazing gift for Easter, or if you know someone that has a birthday coming up around this time in Easter, yeah, this would be like amazing. I mean, imagine the look on my face when I first received this. Even now, like, my face is still glowing with happiness. Like, the packaging is incredible. They really have improved it since last year. I think they had like plasticky sort of eggs, and it was just like wrapped up in gold, paper. I mean, even then it still looked pretty, but this year Lookfantastic have upped their game even more. So yeah, anyway, let's get inside some of these eggs. So the first egg that I've picked out here is this sort of bronze coppery colour. Now these are really sturdy and quite hard to open. As you can see there, it wasn't just like an easy click to get off. But that way you know that your product's inside is safe. So the first product that we receive is the Pixie Skin Treats since 1999 Rose Tonic Rose and Elderflower Nourishing Toner. Now, I've heard a lot about the brand Pixie. I see it mentioned a lot by other beauty bloggers, but I never actually got round to trying the brand myself. I was quite excited to try this last night when taking off my makeup, and honestly, it's such a lovely subtle rose scent. If you're into like your rose waters, etc., then you'll absolutely love this. Feels like a good product too. I mean, I can't say too much about it because I've only tried it out the one time. On the back it says here that it's naturally soothing and rich in nutrients. This tonic helps to tone, balance pH, minimise redness and calm skin. Rehydrates, replenishes and refreshes. Suitable for even the most sensible skin types. Alcohol free. Use AM and PM after cleansing. So yeah, a really lovely product here. It's not the full size, it's the 100ml version, which is still good nevertheless. I believe the full size one is 200 to 250 millilitres, and that retails for around £18 if I can remember correctly. So yeah, I'm going to leave all of the information for the product, leave links to them individually, the box itself and the prices next to it. I'll also have a blog post coming up with a full review within the next sort of week or so, just so that I can try out the products first properly and give you an actual proper review. Yeah, so I'll leave all that sort of information in the description box. But yeah, an exciting first product here. So the next little egg that we have here is a silver one, and inside this one is something from the brand called Illamasqua. This is a really good skincare brand. I've heard lots about it before, and I tried out one of their moisturizers previously in one of the Lookfantastic beauty boxes, so I know that this is a good brand. Anyway, inside we have the Papaya Enzyme Pill. Enzymatic cream exfoliator, advanced skincare. And on the back here it says, defined by nature, led by science, exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive, mild papaya enzymes and pineapple extract gently work to refine and smooth skin. The unique active base is enriched with bladderwrack, porphyridium and antioxidant rich vitamin E and B3 to help moisturise and condition skin. is left soft, revitalized and radiant. So a really, really good product here. I actually got to try this out last night just because I couldn't wait. I was so excited. When I was in the bath, I put this face mask on and oh my god, it smells incredible. Like, it just reminded me of like a fruit ball in the summer. Yeah, just really, really getting me excited. Also, it's true, it does leave your skin feeling really, really soft at the end. Like, no other face mask has done for me just like this one has before. So yeah, really, really impressed to say the least to start off with. I'm gonna give this a few more goes before I can give it a complete review, but so far amazing, and I'm absolutely in love with this product. It is the full size version, I believe. It's 50 milliliters, the one that you get here, and I think it retails for £33. As I mentioned before, I will leave all of that information in the description box below for you guys. In one of the next eggs we have, if I can get it open, we have something from the brand Illamasqua. Now, I don't tend to buy products from Illamasqua, but they are quite a well-known high-end brand, and I've owned a few lipsticks from them before, but they are mainly known for their veils, which are their primers, and fortunately enough, we received a Beyond Veil. Now, I've heard a lot of people talking about the Hydra Veil, but the Beyond Veil is a more illuminating primer, so it gives you that sort of glow underneath, whereas the Hydra Veil was just, I think, a clear primer. But yeah, inside you get a little spoon like this. I think what you're meant to do is mix the product up inside and then pick out little chunks and use that as your primer. As you can see, the texture of the product itself is quite like a jelly substance, like it's not falling out. So yeah, I think that's what it's meant to be used for, but mark my words if I'm wrong and let me know down below if there's a certain way. Anyway, I haven't actually got the opportunity to try this product out yet, but I am very, very excited nevertheless, so I will keep you posted in my review. Next up in this little egg, we have two products from Kerastars. Now, if you know about Kerastars, then you know that their hair products are amazing, full stop. My hairdresser uses these on me when I go. I should probably go and get my hair fixed, like ASAP. I'm going home from uni next week, so hopefully I can go and get that sorted, because as you can tell by my face, like, I'm really, really annoyed with myself for dyeing my hair this colour. Sorry if it's also bugging you too, but promise it will never happen again. I'm just gonna let it wash out for now and then go to my hairdressers, get a haircut, and hopefully try get this fixed a little bit. We'll see. But anyway, before I go off on a tangent again, we actually have two really exciting products from Kerastars, and this is their Aura Botanica collection. Now, this got released, I think, early last year, and I actually did a flat lay shoot of it on my Instagram. I'll insert a picture for you guys. But yeah, you get the shampoo and the conditioner. So yeah, this is supposed to be for shampoo for dull, devitalised hair. Oh, it's me over here. So yeah, hopefully I can put this to some good use and save my damaged hair. But yeah, and then the conditioner says it's intense moisturising conditioner for dull and devitalised hair. So really, really excited to wash all this hair dye out and put this shampoo and conditioner to good use. Unfortunately, it's not the full size, but I like the fact that you get the shampoo and the conditioner hand in hand, because what's the point in getting just the shampoo or just the conditioner? You want to try out both, clearly. So yeah, really thoughtful of Lookfantastic there to include both products inside the egg. So now we're on to our fifth egg, just to keep you posted. There's 7 in total, so 2 more to go after this, so do stay tuned. Anyway, inside this egg, like I said, it's really hard to open these, especially when you got stubby fingernails like mine. But anyway, a really, really exciting product that comes in this supportive netting, just to make sure that the product doesn't break, as it is glass. And yes, you guessed it, it's a Miravixa. I absolutely freaking love this brand. We got a Balancing Moisturiser in our LF Beauty box this month, and what another surprise to get another moisturiser, but this time it is the Illuminating Moisturizer. Yeah, I'm not joking, a Miravixa is a seriously high-end luxury and so worth the money brand. This is 50 mils and I think it does retail for £85, so yeah. Then moving on to this beautiful egg over here. Inside is another product that is packaged within this sort of netting, just to protect it because it is glass. I like how thoughtful that is. We have a very, very exciting product from the brand Nukes. Now, I've actually tried a sample of this before, but I completely forgot about it. I couldn't remember the brand name, I couldn't remember what the product was called or anything, so I'm absolutely thrilled to receive this in a full size version because honestly the smell of this is incredible. This is a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair with precious botanical oils. It nourishes, repairs and beautifies, and oh my god guys, this stuff is actually amazing. It is the Huile Prodigies. Sorry about my French pronunciations. I only got a C in GCSE French, so yeah, probably not the best person to pronounce this, but I'll leave the actual name of it down below in the description so you can go check that out yourself. Definitely a really, really good product, and I'm so thrilled that Lookfantastic have put this inside the beauty eggs this month. Last but not least is the golden egg, and inside this golden egg is actually skincare brand Emma Hardy. So if you guys don't know, then you need to get to know. Oh my god, she does some amazing stuff. This is the Emma Hardy Amazing Face Moringa Cleansing Balm, and as you can see inside, it's just a balm, and I have actually started to use it already. Your makeup just literally slips off. Like, what more can I say? If you've ever tried the cleansing balm from the Body Shop and you thought that was good, and then if you tried the Clinique cleansing balm and you also thought that was good, well, you need to try this out because this stuff is amazing. This stuff is great. It smells amazing, it feels amazing on the skin, and it isn't a hassle to take your makeup off. You don't have to like rub away at your skin. It just naturally glides off for some reason. It's a 50 milliliter one, so I don't think it's a full size. I think the full size is 100 milliliters. And then what's more is that you get the professional cleansing cloth inside as well. I haven't actually gotten around to using this cloth, but I'm sure it's gonna be pretty amazing. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video, and I have fully unboxed all 7 of these beautiful little eggs. Just, oh my god, the packaging is amazing. I still can't get over it. But anyway, 3 of the products that I'm really, really looking forward to using the most are the Illamasqua Beyond Veil. I'm really looking forward to continue using the Enzyme Peel from Elemis, and last but not least, the Pixie Rose Water Tonic Water. Actually, I absolutely love the smell of it, and I've never really used a toner quite like it before. I mean, the Garnier one's good, but it's nothing compared to this Pixie one. So just wanted to mention that unfortunately, I've just looked at the website because I wanted to be exact with the pricing and how much it was retailing for. If I remember from memory, it retailed for £65, but unfortunately, this box is sold out. This was goddamn popular because it really, really is worth your money. I think I did the calculations of it earlier, and they estimate that you get over £220 worth of products in here, and I think I got around £220.50, or just like a little bit under that. They're really accurate with their marketing there, but yeah, I'm just shocked that it's actually sold out. Surely they'd be making a lot more of these, but what you can do is join the waitlist for 2019's one, because as you can imagine, it's probably going to be even better. But yeah, if you wanted to check out the products individually, I'm going to leave a review with a blog post down below within a week or so that you guys can check it out. And if I'm going to recommend any products properly, it's going to be on that blog. So please do check this space if you want to check that out. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and yeah, hopefully when I next film a video and you next see me, that this hair has faded out a bit and I've gone back to my natural colour, because I just can't stand it. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!